First things first, navigate to the inverse finance page. You're going to select the stake option, which will bring you to this page. Once you get here, I recommend clicking on the Learn More in our documentation section, clicking on INV, stake in INV, and then giving this all a quick read, right? So this will go through the staking rewards, how those are all calculated, and down here, if you scroll down, you'll see the how to stake section. Gives you some key points here, guys. Some of those being, make sure that you are using your Ethereum address on the Ethereum chain, right? You can navigate back to this page. Check out the different wallets they have. So if you're using MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase Wallet, whatever you're using, go ahead and connect it to this page, right? Once you do that, I'll go ahead and click on mine here, connect my Coinbase wallet. This process may take you a little bit, but once you do so, you should see your address up here in this box. You're going to come down. Notice that these will not be here for you guys. Essentially, this will all be dashed out. But you're going to come to the stake page. You're going to make sure that in your wallet you have the inverse finance tokens that you plan on sending, as well as some Ethereum to pay for the gas fees. Recommended $25 to $50, depending on how much you're sending and what times, gas fees at the time. And make sure that you are on the Ethereum chain, as stated earlier. You're going to type in the amount that you wish to send. And, once you do so, you're going to hit this stake button. Hitting the stake button will then pop up a transaction. And make sure that you kind of read through that transaction and verify all the details are correct. But once you then approve of that transaction, a couple minutes go by, your inverse should then show up here. Your dilution protection, i.e. your staking rewards, will show up over time in this category, and your DBR rewards will show up here. But really, it's as simple as that, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Join the Discord. There's many folks in there that are more than willing to help out. Hope that helped out you guys a little bit. Thank you so much.